Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. This video is meant for CA Foundation students who have written their examinations in January 2021 attempt. So your results will be out on March 21st, 2021. Now the question is, let us assume you have qualified in that results. Then what shall be your course of action? Obviously, you need to register for CA Inter immediately because the last date to register for CA Inter, so as to get eligibility to appear for exams in November 2021 is April 1st, 2021 only. That's why you first immediately get yourself registered for CA Inter. Now the next question is, sir, can I join for CA Inter coaching right now? Frankly speaking, so if you want to appear for both groups in November 2021, it is impossible for any organization in this world to finish coaching for both the groups. It is not mere completion of syllabus alone which is important. After completion of syllabus, you need at least 2 months of time to finish off the syllabus. Syllabus completion itself will take minimum of 7 months. In such a case, you need at least 7 months to finish off the syllabus. You need at least 2 months to revise the syllabus thoroughly. So you need 9 months of time to appear for both the groups in November 2021. Since you are starting your coaching on April 1st, do we really have 9 months of time? No. Then how you are planning to appear for both the groups? Remember, either in your intermediate level or at your CA foundation level, after completion of syllabus, you have taken minimum of 2 months of time to revise the entire syllabus and when compared to CA Foundation, CA Inter syllabus is vast. In such a case, this 2 months of time, preparation time after completion of syllabus is the minimum time you require. So considering all these factors, it is impossible for you to take admission for both the groups and join and take coaching for both the groups and attempt both the groups by November 2021 itself. Sir, what is the solution that we have right now? The only option we have is long-term batch. So it is around 14 or 15 months batch. In this long-term batch, initially we will offer coaching for group 1 alone. Initially, we will offer coaching for group 1 alone. Group 1 coaching alone will take approximately 4 months of time to get completed. Immediately after completion of these 4 months of time, you can start preparing for that group 1 and can appear for examinations in November 2021. Immediately after completion of examinations in November 2021, we will start coaching for group 2. So we will be able to finish off the syllabus of group 2 in a matter of 3 months. After that, you will be left with 2 months of time to prepare for group 2 and you can appear for group 2 examinations to be held in May 2022. That means by taking additional 6 months of time, you can comfortably qualify both the groups, of course, one after another. First group in November 2021 and second group in May 2022. This is the best strategy you can follow to qualify one group after another of CA Inter. So, taking coaching for both the groups and attempting both the groups, it's impossible. The available time is not at all sufficient to handle both the groups. That is why we are coming up with this kind of unique strategy. We can proudly say that Masterminds is the only institute to design this kind of academic program exclusively for you and offering the same. So please avail this opportunity. Of course, we even have hostel facility. So this kind of batch is going to be started in Guntur, that is our head office. Students belonging to any of our branches can comfortably come and join for this batch. So this is a golden opportunity for all of you. If you are qualified in CA Foundation, this is a golden opportunity for you, and you can avail this benefit and comfortably qualify one group in November and another group in next year May. Sir, I was unable to qualify in this attempt. So what should be my remedy for CA Foundation? Don't worry. So if you are interested to attend for coaching classes, we have a crash batch in Guntur. So where we will be offering coaching for you for CA Foundation once again. No sir, my conceptual clarity is good. It is not required for me to attend the coaching once again. Then you can join for our study hours and revision exams program. As a part of this program, we will make you to study for the whole day and we will make you to write weekly twice examinations. This service will be available in Guntur as well as all our branches. And let us assume you are not interested to attend these study hours and revision exams physically. In such a case, you can just appear for our revision exam service under the name Masterminds Test Series. Personally, I don't recommend you to continue your studies in online. It's high time for you to switch over to offline. By this time, you might have realized and recognized that your studies, your performance will be excellent when you attend the classes physically but not in online. So personally, I don't recommend anyone to continue your studies in online. You better shift it to offline, that is physically. Attend the study hours physically. If you are not interested to attend study hours physically, then you can join for our Masterminds Test Series program, where the same schedule, under the same schedule, revision exams will be conducted and you can appear for those revision exams right from your home. These are the alternative remedies that you have. All the best.